Alright, what's up, y'all? You know what time it is. Your boy Keenan. Keenan just felt like cooking. Yeah, it's been a minute. And so, what I'm about to do is, I'm about to hook up my chicken sandwich. Check this out. Alright, so what I got here, I got some thighs that I went on ahead and deboned. Peeled that skin back so I can get the seasoning underneath the skin, and then flip the skin back over, season, and then flip it over and season the backside. And I got 10 thighs here that came in the pack. 5 I'm gonna season with this Kinder's Cali Blackened, and then the other 5 I'm gonna season with this lemon pepper from McCormick's. And then also, if you notice in the corner right there, I'm gonna turn this around. If you notice in the corner right there, that's the little oysters that I cut off. Yeah, so we're gonna fry those up. I'm probably just gonna leave those seasoned with this lemon pepper right here, and let's get to it. So I got that meat seasoned. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and let that rest for a minute. Let that seasoning get to know that meat. Let that meat get to know that seasoning. And then we're gonna go ahead and drop these bad boys in some oil. We've been having some rain out here, and it's a little too wet outside for me to plug up the old smoker. So we indoors today, and that's right. You know, Keenan just felt like cooking, so I'm cooking indoors. Back in a minute. Alright, so these bad boys in sat for about 30 minutes. Let them come to room temp. And I'm gonna go ahead and get these bad boys shooken up. This is 2 cups of flour and a half a cup of cornstarch and 2 tablespoons of each respective seasoning. This is the Kinder's Cali Blackened, and this one right here is the McCormick's lemon pepper. So this oil was hot enough, so went on ahead and tossed these bad boys. I'm gonna be using my hands. Of course, wash your hands, but I'm just using them to make sure my skin is on there. You always want to lay away from me for reasons like that. You don't want to be splashing the chicken towards you. I'm just using my hands there to make sure my skin is on there. Move that over. Move that over. Alright, so we ready? It's that lemon pepper. Oh yeah. Yeah. That's what you want. That's what you want on some good fried chicken. Yeah. You can just pick that up and eat it. That's boneless. Woo! All the little crunchies. Can you hear that? I know you can hear that. Boy, that's some good fried chicken right there. Let me flip that over. Look at that. So this second batch is done with the Cali Blackened. Yeah, that's what you want when you see some good fried chicken. Some straight boneless thighs with the skin on it. I'm gonna let you hear that again. Oh yeah, I know you hear that. Look at that. See, that's what you get when you're on the cast iron. That little, you know, those little bits. Legit fried chicken by your boy. All right, so it's sandwich time, baby. Let's get it going. Got my little toasted French roll here with some cheddar, some extra sharp cheddar. I'm gonna go ahead and get a little bit of this Japanese mayo. Put some on both sides. That's all I need right here. Gonna get a little bit of this lettuce my son hooked me up with. Oh yeah, oh yeah. And then we're gonna get a piece of each chicken. So that's the lemon pepper. Here's that Cali Blackened. Yeah. Right. Then on top of that, we're gonna add the bacon. All right. Yeah. There we go. Nice little fried chicken sandwich. Little fried chicken po' boy style. Your boy Keenan. My fried chicken sandwich, baby. I don't know if I want to cut it or just bite it. I think I should just bite it. Alright. Let's see if I can do this. I don't know where to attack it. You know, it takes math to do that. This is a real dude sandwich. I don't think it's going to taste the same with breast. Buy your thighs. Take the bone out yourself. It's real easy. Just get some shears and follow along the bone. That is amazing. Appreciate everybody checking me out. Don't forget to check me out on Instagram and Facebook. Keenan Just Felt Like Cooking. Also like and subscribe. Follow me on those other pages. Everybody be cool out there. Come on.